Hi, I'm Jackie Smith, and this is a video about what I do to take care of my dreads. I only just started my dreads 2 months ago. My scalp is still not quite used to the new routine I've got it going through, so I do get some dry skin in between my dreads. I was washing my dreads only about every week to 2 weeks, but now I've started washing my dreads about twice a week. My scalp is doing a lot better and my dreads are actually locking a lot better. Clean dreads lock better because the hair can actually tangle easier. If you have scalp oils in your dreads, they're just gonna slip past each other. So it'll just take longer for them to mature. So I keep my scalp and my dreads really clean. When you have dreads, you can't use the same shampoos or any sort of products with residue. You don't want buildup in your dreads because it can lead to moisture getting locked in, dread rot, mold, stinky dreads. I have found Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle. This is just the shampoo, that's all I use. I don't use any conditioners or anything. The tea tree oil is good for your scalp. The peppermint is really good, it smells fresh. And those things will keep your scalp clean. In between washings, I use a couple of things. The first thing that I did was I made a scalp spray. I just got one of these blue bottles off Amazon. You can get them, they're for mixing oils. I just got distilled water so that my water won't get grody after a while. The stuff will stay fresh. I mixed rosehip oil, tea tree oil, a little bit of peppermint, and I have a mix, a Young Living mix called Stress Away, and I just really like how it smells. It has like lime and vanilla notes, and so I added that in here just because I love it. It just smells good. I spray this on my hair every day. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. That's what I do every day. And my hair smells really good, my scalp smells really good. That helps to keep my scalp and my dreads moisturized. Another thing I did was I got one of these dropper bottles, again off Amazon. I mixed vitamin E oil with tea tree oil, rosehip oil, and I used this a lot more in the beginning because my scalp would get so dry. It wasn't used to not having any conditioner on it or infrequent washings. So I would just take the dropper, put it right on my scalp, and just kind of rub it in, you know. You can also just put a little drop on your palms and just rub it through your hair if you're feeling like it's just feeling a little dry and crunchy or even just really staticky. I don't want my hair to be too dry or get brittle. I'd really like to keep my dreads strong. I try not to use the oils too much because again, I really want my dreads to tangle and mature, but I also don't want them to be too brittle or dry, and it is winter, so it's pretty dry. Another thing I do is for sleeping, I wear a t-shirt on my head. Come here. So when I sleep, I try to avoid lint by covering them. Also, I have heard that if you wear like a covering on your head, a loose covering, it helps your dreads to mature faster. I don't know if that's true or anything, but I figure why not. I used to just tie my dreads up in a bun, then I would wrap it with a scarf, but you know, I really thought about it and I want my hair to move and to like tangle itself at night so it can mature. And I have baby dreads. They're not really going to be able to mature if I've got them like up in a bun all night. So what I like to do, I saw this on Lazy Dreads. I love that channel. I saw him do this really cool trick where so I just get the t-shirt on my head, around my neck, and then I just pull it back off, but not off completely. Get my ears out. This is how I sleep. And it just keeps my hair protected. I guess I never really looked at myself with this on. It looks pretty cool. So anyway, this is what it looks like. And then, so that's all that I do. to take care of them. Aside from the products that I use, I keep them separated, I keep them palm rolled. Anyway, I hope that that was helpful or interesting. If you'd like to see the recipes that I kind of based my spray, my oils on, I'll put a link below to Wired and Stoned. That's where I saw the recommendation for the types of oils to use for your scalp and to keep your dreads fresh. Anyway, that's all. Hope y'all have a good day.